The show uses a lot of recognizable music. The American Morbidity Museum is based on a real American museum. Stonestreet was supposed to return for Asylum. And Peters was covered in lubricant in order to get into the Rubberman outfit. Jyoti Amge is considered a deity in India. Jyoti Amge is considered a deity in India. Kathy Bates's Baltimore accent was so difficult she had to speak that way at all times. James Cromwell's son played him in a flashback scene. Meep was also in season 1 and has a surprising day job. Meep was also in Sandy's past and present troubles became a threat to the Reapers. Naomi Grossman was once kicked off the set accidentally. Denis O'Hare refused to speak while playing the role of Spalding. In Oz Coven, Denis O'Hare plays the butler, Spalding, at Miss Robichaud's Academy for Exceptional Young Ladies. Spalding cut out his own tongue out of devotion and thus doesn't speak throughout the season. To keep in character, O'Hare stayed mute even while the cameras weren't rolling.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.